Continuing coverage of CES 2025. Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine. We're here at Bartesean. That's how you pronounce it, right?
Bartesian.
Bartesean. And we're here with Neil McVicker. Hey, McVicker, that actually kind of plays with this whole thing, doesn't it? Anyway, we're talking about this guy right here. It is an awesome little system that is your personal bartender. We'll just say it like that. So, Neil, why don't you tell us while I reposition this camera, why don't you tell us a little bit about what we're looking at?
Sure. So we've got the Bartesian appliance we launched in 2019, but this is our newest model.
Okay.
So basically, for anyone that's not familiar, you stock Bartesian with your preferred brands of spirits, vodka, whiskey, rum, gin, tequila.
Okay.
And then there's a water reservoir in the back. The water comes into play because our capsules have all of the authentic non-alcoholic components above and beyond the spirits that you would need to buy individually to make the cocktail.
So you got, like myself, I can't drink right now, so because I don't have a drink in my hand.
Right.
So I could get a drink in my hand and have it alcoholic or non-alcoholic.
Absolutely.
Right? Awesome. So you're going to make me a drink, right?
I'd be happy to.
What are you going to make?
How about a blackberry margarita? It's one of our customer favorites.
Okay, what else do you got?
We have a lemon drop, amaretto sour. And
what do you got as non-alcoholic? Let's do that.
That's the thing is any cocktail can be made as a mocktail.
Okay. I'm a rum and coke person. I'm also a Moscow Mule.
For the show, we have 70 recipes. For the show, it's exclusive to the ones that I mentioned. Blackberry, sorry.
Yeah, let's do the amaretto sour.
Sure thing.
Yeah, let's do that.
And you wanted that non-alcoholic.
Yeah. I got to work. So I'm gonna lower this so we can see what's going on.
Sure.
There we go. Like that.
Go ahead.
So go ahead, yeah.
Yep, okay.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's putting the ice. That's not part of the machine. There's an ice thing behind it. So, yeah.
So I got my shaker with ice there, and we've got the capsule, and you'll see it's got a barcode on it that identifies the recipe.
Okay.
And again,
just like your coffee.
Absolutely.
Thing. Yeah, okay.
And there's nothing fake in here at all. Nothing like no syrups or powders. It's all the authentic components.
Okay.
So when I put it in, close the lid. So it's already identified it. And now I can adjust the strength, light, regular, strong, or mocktail. So in this case, I'll select mocktail as per your preference. Okay. So it's not drawing from the spirits in this case. It's drawing exclusively from the water.
Okay. So refilling the water, of course, obvious. But when it comes to the spirits, that's got to have sugar and other things in there. So how long can you keep that?
So they are glass bottles.
Okay.
And most of our customers keep them in there all the time. That being said, we do broadly suggest that you don't necessarily put in flavored spirits.
Okay.
And it's not just about the sugars that it introduces, but it's if a recipe calls for any type of flavor. So like if you don't need a pineapple infused vodka, because if the recipe calls for pineapple, it will be in the capsule.
Okay. But if I want to put extra pineapple in, I go to the store and get myself a pineapple.
Well, you could always do that. You can now at this point, you could add a splash of anything you wanted.
Okay.
I'll give this a quick shake. Bring in some chill and some dilution.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake that mocktail.
There we go.
Shake that mocktail. Oh, that is nice.
Now, optimally, this would be in a lowball glass with ice that would bring in a little bit more dilution.
Exactly.
Maybe a nice maraschino cherry garnish.
Let's do this. Come on back over here.
Sure.
All right. So this is the mocktail.
Right.
Looks good. Let's go. I can definitely smell the amaretto in there. Yeah.
Nothing fake in there. So.
All right. Let's see how it tastes.
All right.
Oh my God, this is so good. Oh, I'm drunk already.
Pretty strong for a mocktail.
Yeah. No, it's actually very tasty. I really enjoy that. I love that. So let's get you back in the shot here.
All right.
So I'm going to sip on here and tell me a little bit more about when it's available, if it's available, where it's available, and how much it's going to cost.
Right. So we've been on the market since late 2019. This is our third, the model that we just looked at is our third model. Okay. But our first models are available now on Bartesian.com, Amazon, Bed Bath & Beyond, Crate & Barrel, a bunch of retailers.
Okay. It's
this particular model will be this Q1.
Okay, and how much is that going to be?
That'll run at the appliance $499.
$499. So, and it's really nice because it's definitely could sit on a counter. It looks just like any other coffee pod system. So you can put it next to the coffee and say, yeah, I got the coffee. I'm drinking the coffee right now.
Exactly that.
So, all right. Well, this is cool. Bartesian.com.
Yes, sir.
And then how many flavors overall do you have?
We are just over 70 right now.
70?
Yeah.
Is there a way I can make custom flavors?
We don't have that functionality yet, but that's I'll bring that to the boss.
Oh yeah, because I'd love to do that. Because you get these websites that say, "Hey, I can make this type of drink. I can make this type of drink," and they just eat that up or drink that up. So.
Drink that up.
All right. Well, Neil, thank you very much. And that is Bartesian over at Bartesian.com. $499. Not too bad for a cocktail mixture. And you should definitely check it out. Even if you don't drink alcohol, the mocktail, this is very, very tasty. I'm telling you that right now. I think I'm drunk because I'm babbling now. So anyway, and no alcohol, I'm drunk. What can you say? Anyway, a lot more over at Geekazine.com, YouTube.com/Geekazine, where you can like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notification so those angels get their wings. I get my wings, and you can watch the next video on Geekazine. So until next time, geek out, and cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.